They're not capable of aggressive aerobatics. The long, easy more than makes up for it with a cruising range of 1,000 nautical miles and a cruising speed of 201 miles per hour, 175 knots. You may notice that the plane needs to be parked on the nose. The reason for that is the engine behind the main gear, or it needs the weight of the pilot. Central Burt Rutan at a starting air show in the age of 12 when he began announcing for his manager, Kyle Fowler. Then in 2015, Kyle purchased his long PC for the sole purpose of performing in air shows and niche market. Nobody else is really trying this. Kyle holds a commercial IFR license, flying to Navajo for the company he works for. Currently a licensed automotive mechanic, which complements the long, easy, as it is a home-built aircraft, and as such, Kyle performs all of the movements by himself. That was awesome! Miranda, there are 4 kids, Bentley, Tucker, Adea, and Elijah. I hope I remember them all. And the way he remembers, his family is always top of mind, even when he's way at home. You get a chance to meet Kyle later and see his helmet is covered in little handprints. Each of those handprints are the handprints of his children. Again, always top of mind, always close to his heart. Kyle Fowler, family man, pilot, air show star now. Show up the snow. And here he is. Kyle has been flying for about 4,000 hours now. Aircraft racing. I've put an amazing paint job on the airplane. Not only does it look cool to the yellow in the sky today, but at night, the paint on the airplane actually lights up. Just like you see it coming. Lots of UFO reporting. It's beautiful. Kyle Fowler. The Backwards Airplane. That's how to connect with him on social media. Hashtag Backwards Airplane. Talking us through it. Make it look so easy. That's the name of the plane after all. What's coming up?
I got a nice wing test coming up here. This is for all the volunteers, and you and I both know that it's been a long day, but I love flying, and I'm so glad I get to fly here today.
Thank you. I'll let you get busy up there and get you back on the ground. Thank you, Doc. All right, here comes the photo pass. Ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras ready. He's going to stand it up on a wing. Coming over your right shoulder.